waste time. Won't remember tonight. I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open.
Hello, welcome to my channel. For better understanding, I divided this project into 3 parts. So for this, you need a paper and start giving it the dimensions of your cup size as I'm showing you in the video. Also, it's fine if it is not perfect because later on you can always play around with its shape. And roughly this is how it's going to look like. Now start cutting all the extra folds that you made. Now grab another paper and trace out the pattern, leaving half an inch seam allowance. This is the side front, and also do the same for the center front. Since my size below the bust is 31 inches, but the total length of the bodice is 34 inches. So I have removed 1 inches from both the ends of the back piece. To figure out the size to cut the waist, I just looked up my measurements on a circle skirt chart, which you can find online, or I'll leave a link in the description box. Using the remaining half of the pant, I'm making it the lining for the skirt. Now attach the skirt to the bodice and the dress is done.